Are you tired? Just a little. Did you eat breakfast? Yes, I ate breakfast. What did you eat for lunch? I ate a salad. Where's the bathroom? The bathroom is down the hall to the right. How much is it? It's $15.23. Do you have this in a size small? No, we only have it in medium. Do you have tea or coffee? Yes, we have green tea and decaf coffee. What's your phone number? My number is 123-234-0000. What's your email address? My email is englishwithbambi@gmail.com. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak a little English.